In today's Instructable, I'll show you how to make a really cool lantern decoration. For that purpose, we need a nice lantern like this, which I bought some years ago at one of those liquidation sales of a home decor store. And to this day, I'm really angry that I didn't buy more of these. They were really inexpensive and truly beautiful. Right now it's quite difficult to find something this nice. The lanterns they sell everywhere are really simple. This one, as you can see, has some really nice intricate details, curved glass, really nice. And it's intended for a regular candle. As you can see, there's ventilation on top, but we'll make something more modern with the help of one of these LED strips. This one's 10 meters long. Got a couple, you can buy them really cheap from AliExpress, direct from China. A link which you will find below. There's a couple different versions, different lengths, different number of LEDs, different color options, but I recommend that you get the regular white ones. They'll look the best. So let's get on with this. Really simple. You open it up. You take your LED strip and weave it inside, and should have a really nice effect. If I could find the end. Okay. So the most important thing is not to get this all tangled up. Unravel this and place it loose inside. Another option is you could use some nice, maybe wine bottle, and stuff this inside. Of course, the only problem will be what to do with this battery compartment. Of course, there's not much effect in the daytime, but I'll throw in some pictures at the end, how it looks at night. Really awesome. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and of course, vote for my project on Instructables. And this is how the lantern looks after dark.